my lovely people, these are my potatoes. Let me peel them and cut them and show you how I prepare my potatoes. So my potatoes are ready. I've just cut them into these pieces. So I'll show you how I prepare my potatoes. I just added some few oil, very few oil. Then I'll just place my potatoes inside like that. So there are my potatoes. What I'll do is that I'll cover them. Then I'll keep on turning them, checking them after 5 minutes after I'm turning them. So I'll keep on showing you how I prepare this type of potato. This is how our potatoes are getting along. I will keep on turning them like this. Then I'll cover them again. So this is how our potatoes are getting along. As you can see, they're turning color a bit. Not totally golden brown, but just see the color. So let's continue cooking. As we are cooking it, we are checking it after every 5 minutes and turning it over so that it can cook all round. So while after that you cover it again. So our potatoes are turning color, as you can see. That's one of the signs that the potatoes are getting ready, because I cooked with low heat. And to cook such kind of potatoes, you have to have a pan that is non-sticky, a quality pan, a pan that is heavy down so that it cannot stick. That's how you have such kind of very nice looking brown potatoes. So our potatoes are ready, depending on the amount of potato. Mine took about 25 minutes, not exactly 30, to get ready. So this is the way they look after getting ready. Let me show you that they are ready. So you see, they are ready. So guys, I'm yet to prepare my fish. So I've just added oil because I'm preparing fried fish. Not exactly deep fry, because this is the way I usually cook my fish. So my fish are here. As you can see, they are marinated enough. So let's wait for the oil to get ready. So these are 3 types of fish. We have our barracuda here, our small fish, then we have our calamari. I've marinated them with salt, lime, and chili flakes. So guys, this is our fish. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add some flour. So I've just kept it here in this type of then I'll add flour like this. Then after that, I'll do this. Then I'll put them into the pan. So guys, you can see our fish is frying there. I just kept the small fish and the calamari. So let's keep on frying them. So as you can see, the calamari, the calamari get ready faster. So the calamari are ready there, so I'll just remove them. So guys, our calamari are here, they are ready. As we wait for these ones to get ready too, then I'll remove them, then I'll put this one. So for me, these are ready, I'll just remove them. So here they are ready. So we have our calamari here and our small. So now let's cook this one. So there's our fish. So let's cook it. So I just turned my fish. So this is I'm just cooking it in a low heat so that it cannot burn outside and not get ready inside. So this is how I cook my fish, because I don't like to deep fry things because of health-wise. I try my best to cook my food in a very healthy way or style, but you can cook it however you want. If you want to deep fry, you can deep fry. Yeah. So this is our barracuda, it's getting ready. So this is a mixture of fish. So we have our barracuda here, then we have our small fish and our calamari here that we fried. These fish come fresh directly from the sea.